Earth Cycles Summative Assessment by Karthik. The issue is about all the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere going into the surface ocean. Recently, I read an article. It was about ocean acidification. Clams are dying because of ocean acidification, which is because of humans and carbon dioxide. It is happening along U.S. coasts and causing many problems. Why is this happening right now? There's too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere because of what we are doing. We are using fossil fuels, burning them, and sending all the emissions back into the atmosphere. Also, water is going from alkaline to acidic. This means from having a pH above 7, which is basic, to having a pH below 7, which is acidic. This is harmful for many of the animals in the oceans because they have calcium carbonate in their shells, and by having a pH lower than 7, the shells don't get created and the animals die out. Also, the carbon cycle is slowed. All the carbon from the lithosphere and deep ocean is going straight into the atmosphere and into the surface ocean, but it's depleting the rest of the carbon reservoirs. It's all going straight into the surface ocean, atmosphere, and sometimes the surface plants. We have made many mistakes, but there are some corrective steps we can take. First is to reduce emissions. We shall take in less fossil fuels, which will result in letting out less carbon dioxide. This could happen by changing our energy source. Our energy source is one of the main causes for this issue. We have dug up all this fossil fuel from underground, depleting the sources extremely, and we are just pumping it out and out and out, unbalancing the carbon cycle. Well, we can change our energy to a wind source or hydroelectric. This will lead in safe and clean energy. This also leads to another point, which is take less carbon from underground. By doing this, less fossil fuels will come out, and we can focus more on wind and electric energy, hydroelectric energy. And finally, less CO2 in the atmosphere. All of this will lead to less CO2 in the atmosphere. And less CO2 in the atmosphere means less ocean acidification, and less ocean acidification means alkaline water for all plants and animals to make their calcium carbonate shells safely, peacefully, and live happily ever after. Let's save the world together. Thanks for watching. Next time, let's cut down our carbon emissions and make a world a better place with more oxygen.